Unlocking the power of AI chatbots. Discovering alternatives to ChatGPT. Bing AI. www.bing.com. Bing AI is an AI-powered search engine developed by Microsoft. Bing AI gathers answers from the web to answer users' inquiries. Unlike ChatGPT, Bing isn't solely an AI language model, meaning it has internet access and can browse the web to find documents, videos, and more. Bing AI's other capabilities include 1. Personalized recommendations. 2. Conversation style options, balanced, creative, and precise. 3. Able to be used natively on Apple and Android devices. Bing AI is most helpful if you use the Microsoft Edge browser and want personalized search results. Furthermore, Bing AI can be integrated with Microsoft Office and Microsoft Teams, making it an excellent tool for your business. Bard. https://bard.google.com. Google's experimental conversational generative AI chatbot uses NLP and machine learning to respond quickly to various inquiries. The chatbot's other features include the ability to 1. Generate texts. 2. Translate languages. 3. Answer questions. 4. Generate creative content. 5. Give thumbs up or thumbs down responses. And because Bard is a product of Google, the chatbot also includes Google Assistant and Alexa integration, and it can use Google's search engine for the most up-to-date information. Bear in mind, however, that Bard is still in its infancy and is not yet available worldwide. For now, it's only available to US and UK-based customers. Poe. www.poe.com. Poe by Quora. The AI on Poe is currently powered by models from OpenAI and Anthropic. Poe's responses also include Wikipedia-style links, meaning users can click on phrases to learn more about topics the model mentions. Another handy feature is Poe's cross-platform sync, which allows the AI to sync your chats in real time across platforms, so you can start a conversation on a desktop and continue it on iOS. Your chat. www.you.com. This AI-powered chatbot search engine is featured on you.com and answers queries via messaging. With natural language input, users can conversationally receive answers. The AI chatbot is available via various platforms, such as the web and mobile. Furthermore, it can integrate with messenger apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. ChatSonic. www.writesonic.com. ChatSonic is a chatbot part of Writesonic's suite of AI-powered writing tools. Powered by CPT-4, ChatSonic uses natural language processing and algorithms to understand context and nuances at a higher level than the free version of ChatGPT. The platform also suggests sentence structure, word choice, and tone to create excellent, well-crafted content. Moreover, ChatSonic can create digital artwork and take voice commands. Perplexity. www.perplexity.ai. Another free alternative to ChatGPT, Perplexity offers conversation responses and content generation. The platform is powered by large models and collects information from places like Wikipedia, LinkedIn, and Amazon. It also cites its sources. There are many ChatGPT alternatives to choose from. All you need to do is assess your needs and find the platform with the tools to help you brainstorm, refine, and generate your content. You know some of your options. When it comes to AI chatbot platforms, the options extend beyond ChatGPT. By exploring alternatives like Bing AI, Bard, Poe, UChat, ChatSonic, and Perplexity, you can find the perfect fit for your content generation, search, and conversational needs. Assess your requirements, consider the unique features of each platform, and embark on a journey to streamline your interactions with AI-powered chatbots. Please share, subscribe to support the channel. www.youtube.com/@globalvanuexperts